Imagine a scenario where the biggest asteroid in history is on a collision course with Earth. Scientists predict that the impact will be catastrophic, causing widespread destruction and loss of life. The asteroid is so massive that its impact would release energy equivalent to thousands of nuclear bombs exploding at once. Cities would be leveled, tsunamis would engulf coastlines, and wildfires would rage across continents. The aftermath would be even more devastating, with a dust cloud enveloping the planet and blocking out the sun. Plants would wither, leading to a collapse of the food chain and widespread famine. Temperatures would plummet, leading to a nuclear winter that could last for years. Human civilization would be pushed to the brink of collapse as resources diminish rapidly. Survivors would face an apocalyptic world, struggling to find shelter, food, and clean water. Governments would crumble, and chaos would reign as society breaks down. Scientists predict that such an event occurs once every few million years. But amidst the destruction, there would also be hope. Humanity has survived extinction-level events before. And we have the knowledge and technology to potentially deflect or destroy the asteroid before it's too late. NASA and other space agencies around the world are monitoring the skies for potential threats. The risk of a massive asteroid impact may be slim, but the consequences would be catastrophic. It's a reminder of the fragility of life on Earth and the importance of protecting our planet. The question is, will we come together as a global community to face this threat, or will we succumb to fear and division? The fate of our world hangs in the balance. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content.